Hello friends, welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the complete process of filling out IRS Form 1040. Whether you're filing taxes for the first time or just need a refresher, this guide will help you step by step. So let's get started. What is IRS Form 1040? Form 1040 is used by U.S. citizens and resident aliens to report their annual income, claim tax deductions, and calculate how much tax they owe or the refund they'll receive. It covers all income sources, wages, interest, dividends, capital gains, retirement income, and more. Step 1. Enter your personal information. At the top of the form, fill in your full legal name, Social Security number, SSN, current home address, street, city, state, zip. If filing jointly, include your spouse's name and SSN as well. Step 2. Choose your filing status. Select one of the following options. Single. Married filing jointly. Married filing separately. Head of household. Qualifying surviving spouse. Your filing status affects your tax rate and deduction eligibility. Step 3. Digital Assets section. This section asks if you bought, sold, or traded cryptocurrency, NFTs, or other digital assets during the year. Select Yes if you had any digital transactions. Select No if not. Step 4. Dependents and standard deductions. List your dependents, including their names, SSNs, and relationship to you. Check if they qualify for the child tax credit or other dependent credit. If you or your spouse are over 65 or blind, you may be eligible for an additional deduction. Step 5. Report your income. Form 1040 includes multiple lines for income sources. Line 1. Wages, salaries, and tips from Form W-2. Line 2. Interest income, taxable and tax-exempt. Line 3. Dividends, qualified and ordinary. Line 4. IRA distributions. Line 5. Pensions and annuities. Line 6. Social Security benefits. Line 7. Capital gains or losses. Line 8. Other income from Schedule 1. Add these up to get your total income. Step 6. Adjustments, deductions, and taxable income. Report adjustments to income, like student loan interest or educator expenses, on Schedule 1. Choose between the standard deduction or itemized deductions from Schedule A. If you qualify for Qualified Business Income, QBI, deduction, report it on line 13. The result after these deductions gives your taxable income. Step 7. Compute your total tax and credits. Lines 16 to 18 show your total tax amount, including any extra taxes, e.g., AMT. Lines 19 to 21 include credits such as the child tax credit, education credits, or earned income credit, EIC. Subtract your credits from your total tax to find the amount you owe. Step 8. Payments and refund. Lines 25 to 33 enter all federal income tax withheld, estimated tax payments, and refundable credits. Line 34 shows your overpayment or refund amount. Line 35. Enter your bank details, routing number, account type, and number for direct deposit. Line 37 shows the amount you owe if your tax liability exceeds your payments. Step 9. Sign and review. Sign and date your return. Include your occupation, phone number, and email address. If filing jointly, your spouse must sign too. If a paid preparer helped you, they'll fill out the Prepare Use Only section with their details and PTIN. Final step. Review your entire form for accuracy before submitting it electronically through the IRS website or mailing it to the correct IRS address. That's it. You've now learned how to fill out IRS Form 1040 step-by-step for 2025/2026. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechGetter Official for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.